One of our new additions to the GENTURN line is the GENTURN SL-32 ABY. At 32 millimeter inch and a quarter capacity, this machine adds a B-axis to our well-received hybrid Swiss machine collection. Being hybrid, it can be run with or without a guide bushing. The main and sub spindle are rated at 7.4 horsepower and can run up to 6,000 RPM. It has 21 tools on the main spindle, including 8 driven tools on a programmable B-axis. The sub spindle has 21 tools to work on the back of the part for a one-and-done solution, and having a Y-axis on both the main and the sub add to the machine's versatility. We look forward to seeing you at our booth to watch the GENTURN SL-32 ABY in action and get your picture taken with the Aero McLaren IndyCar. See you then.